European robin. Did you know there's a small bird, no bigger than your hand, that can see something completely invisible to us? Welcome back to Vlogmas on the Travel Explorer channel. And today, we're exploring a superpower hidden inside a creature you might walk past every day without even knowing its secret. Meet the European robin, a tiny bird with one of the most extraordinary abilities in the entire animal kingdom. This bird can see Earth's magnetic field. Not sense it, not feel it, but literally see it, as a faint glowing pattern in its vision, guiding it like an internal compass. Let's break down this miracle of nature. Every winter, millions of robins leave their northern homes and migrate thousands of miles across Europe and Asia. Scientists used to wonder, how do they travel so far with no map, no GPS, no stars on cloudy nights? Then they discovered the secret hiding in the robin's eye. Inside its retina is a special protein that reacts to tiny particles called radicals. When sunlight hits the bird's eye, these particles shift according to Earth's magnetic field, and the robin sees a faint blue haze or pattern, almost like glowing lines, pointing it toward the right direction. Think about that. Where you and I see normal daylight, this bird sees an extra layer of reality, an invisible world that guides its journey. And here's the wild part. This ability relies on quantum physics. Yes, the same science that powers lasers, microchips, and theories about parallel universes. So in a way, this tiny, gentle bird carries a quantum computer, not in its brain, but in its eyes. And yet, it doesn't brag, doesn't boast, it simply flies. Across continents, over mountains and oceans, carrying a superpower it never asked for. To me, that's what makes this perfect for Vlogmas. A reminder that even the smallest creatures hold extraordinary gifts. A reminder that the world is full of wonders we can't see. But they're there, guiding us just like the robin's invisible compass. So as you decorate your home, share laughter with family, or sip something warm tonight, take a moment to remember the European robin, the tiny traveler who navigates the Earth using a vision we can't even imagine. Stay curious, stay inspired, and come back tomorrow for another Vlogmas adventure, because the world and the universe still has so many secrets left to explore.